project is a huge one of these Class A premier distribution centers that a lot of us see going up everywhere, especially around major airports or hubs. But this thing is around 500,000 square feet, and that's just a phase one, and it virtually doubles that square footage on subsequent phases. And that's some 40 acres, or that's a lot of impervious area. It takes a lot of pipe, a lot of drainage that has to be engineered for the site. And this is in Duncan, South Carolina. And a lot of people recognize South Carolina as a concrete pipe only state. That's what was specified on this project, and there were lots of it. Problem is, in 2022, it's just a crazy time. And they were expecting 3 to 4 month lead times for reinforced concrete pipe. But that's just for top customers. I don't know what the lead times were here, but if you're not one of those top customers, you're looking at lead times that get to be around 8 or 9 months. And that virtually would kill a project. And so the owner was demanding a pipe alternate. And the engineer doing the review is completely unfamiliar with corrugated metal pipe and its coatings and its corrugations and its service life. And so we were able to make a submittal to them, and his response was, in our professional opinion, type 2 aluminized corrugated steel pipe does not perform as well as reinforced concrete pipe, and recommends all efforts be exhausted to use reinforced concrete pipe for the project. However, he's put himself in a quandary here because there is no reinforced concrete pipe in the project. The show must go on, so to speak. And so other things that the engineer stated in his letter is that the engineer will ask the county what they think. Just the engineer doesn't know what to do or who to lean to. He did state that aluminized steel has a 75 to 100 minimum service life, while reinforced concrete pipe has a 100 plus year service life. To me, that doesn't make a very substantial point. They virtually have great service life. He acknowledges the equivalent hydraulics, so he doesn't really have to change the diameters of anything. Design can stay the same. He does recognize there are some different installation methods, and that the manufacturer should put those specifications together for the contractor to ensure the installation goes according to industry standards. He recommends a soil analysis because he's learned through his review that soil chemistry plays a large part in service life for corrugated steel pipe. And he wants to make sure the backfill is properly compacted. And so he's really going at great lengths to ensure that nothing goes wrong here, which is great for us. It just makes a great installation. He recommends third-party testing for backfill and soil analysis and so forth. He puts together a very stringent compaction testing every 100 feet for every 4 foot of pipe depth. He wanted some flotation analysis, which we did. He wanted the joints double wrapped, and lastly, he wanted to make the owner responsible for any problems. And this shows some of the quantities that we did on this job that made it such a great project for us. We're over 4,000 feet of pipe that we were able to get converted from reinforced concrete to corrugated steel pipe. And in the process, we educated an engineer. I'm not quite sure how educated he feels at this point, but nonetheless, he did something he never did before. He used corrugated steel pipe.